Imagine stepping out of a spaceship into the infinite void. You wouldn't freeze instantly like in the movies. If the sun hits you, your blood would literally boil at 120 degrees Celsius. But step into the shadows and you are violently plunged into a microscopic fraction above absolute zero, minus 270 degrees. Think about that. We live in a universe packed with 2 septillion raging, thermonuclear stars. Yet 99.99% of the cosmos is a freezing, dead wasteland. How is that physically possible? And here is what is baffling astrophysicists today. We recently found a spot in the universe that is actually colder than the empty vacuum of deep space itself. A place that breaks the laws of thermodynamics. How can something be colder than nothing? To understand this impossible anomaly, we have to forget everything we know about cold. On Earth, cold is just the air stealing your body heat. But space doesn't have a temperature, because it doesn't have air. It is a vacuum. Temperature is just a measurement of how fast atoms are moving. No atoms means no temperature. So when we say space is minus 270 degrees Celsius, we aren't measuring the void, we are measuring the ghost of the universe's violent birth. But this is where things get strange. What I'm about to reveal next changes how you will look at the night sky forever, and it's exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining our community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most classified cosmic truths with us, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because we're about to go back to the beginning of time. The year is 1964. Astronomers Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson are using a massive horn antenna in New Jersey, trying to map radio signals from the Milky Way. But they keep picking up a strange, relentless hum. A static noise coming from everywhere at once. They thought it was pigeon droppings on their equipment. They cleaned it. The hum remained. Little did they know, they hadn't found a glitch. They had accidentally tuned into the oldest, most impossible echo in existence. They had discovered the cosmic microwave background. The literal afterglow of the Big Bang. Imagine the universe starting as an infinitely dense fireball, billions of degrees hot. Over 13.8 billion years, space itself stretched, like a rubber band pulling apart. As it expanded, that intense heat was stretched and thinned out into invisible microwaves. Today, that leftover heat rests at exactly 2.7 Kelvin. It is the baseline temperature of reality. But just when we thought we had the cosmos figured out, here is where it gets crazy. In 1995, astronomers pointed a submillimeter telescope at a dying star system called the Boomerang Nebula, 5,000 light-years from Earth. What they found shattered our models. The nebula was clocking in at 1 Kelvin. Minus 272 degrees Celsius. A full degree colder than the empty background of space itself. It is the coldest natural place in the known universe. But how can a dying star create an environment colder than deep space? Scientists around the world are still fiercely debating this. Is it because the star is expelling gas at an astonishing 365,000 miles per hour, causing it to rapidly expand and flash freeze? Or is there a darker, unseen force at play, perhaps a hidden companion star tearing it apart from the inside? I genuinely want to know what you think. Drop down to the comments right now. Is the Boomerang Nebula just a freak physics accident, or is it a preview of what will eventually happen to our own sun? Tell me your wildest theory below. This anomaly matters because it forces us to confront the ultimate fate of our universe. By the end of this video, you will understand why this affects our very place in the cosmos. Absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, is the point where all atomic motion stops. Time, as experienced by particles, freezes. The fact that the universe is currently hovering just 2.7 degrees above this absolute death state is terrifying. Because the universe is expanding faster every second. As it expands, it cools. We are currently living in a temporary, warm pocket of a cosmos that is rushing toward the big freeze, a time when all stars will die, and the entire universe will hit absolute zero. But before you let the existential dread set in, realize what this means for us today. The very coldness of space is what allows stars, planets, and life to exist at all. Without that freezing background, the heat from stars would literally cook the entire universe. And science is progressing rapidly. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is using this exact deep freeze to its advantage. The telescope operates at -233 degrees Celsius so its own heat doesn't blind its infrared sensors. By embracing the cold, we are finally piercing through cosmic dust clouds, witnessing the birth of the very first galaxies. We are using the universe's freezing graveyard to watch the dawn of creation. And the mysteries are only deepening. Astrophysicists recently found an anomaly in the cosmic background dubbed the cold spot, a massive region of space inexplicably colder than its surroundings. Some theorists believe this could be a cosmic bruise from a collision with a parallel universe. The deeper we look into the freezing dark, the more the universe whispers its ultimate secrets. What you're seeing today changes everything about tomorrow. But this isn't the only impossible mystery lurking in the dark. In our upcoming videos, we will uncover the terrifying truth behind the Great Attractor, a massive gravitational anomaly pulling our entire galaxy toward the unknown. And we will reveal the recently declassified sounds of black holes that shouldn't exist. You won't want to miss what we've found. Thank you for exploring the unknown with us. Remember, the fact that we exist in this tiny, warm oasis amidst a freezing, infinite ocean is the greatest miracle of all. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.